Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a study schedule on Notion. First, open Notion and create a new page. Select a table or database view to begin. Name this new database Study Schedule to keep everything organized. Next, add essential properties such as subject, due date, and status. These will be crucial for tracking your progress and managing your tasks effectively. Now it's time to populate your schedule. Begin by adding all your assignments, readings, and study sessions as individual entries in your database. For each entry, use the due date property to set a clear deadline. This helps you visualize upcoming commitments. Consider adding a notes property for any specific instructions or links to study materials. To make your schedule truly effective, organize and filter your tasks. Create new views, such as a calendar view, to see all your deadlines at a glance. Use filters to display tasks by subject or status, helping you focus on what's most important. Grouping tasks by due date can also provide a clear overview of your immediate priorities. Maintaining your study schedule is key to its success. Make it a habit to regularly update the status property as you complete tasks. Review your schedule daily to account for any new assignments or changes. Don't forget to use Notion's built-in reminders to get notifications for important deadlines, ensuring you stay on track and meet all your commitments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.